TalkText AI is a brand new software that just launched, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're curious about whether this software is right for you, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how TalkText AI can elevate your productivity and digital marketing efforts. I've spent hours testing it, so you're going to get all the details, including how to try it for free through the first link below. Let's start with the basics. TalkText AI is an all-in-one platform that transforms your audio and text-based content into polished, engaging material. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or business owner, this tool promises to save you time and effort. But does it live up to the hype? That's what we're going to find out. First off, TalkText AI is designed with speed in mind. It can transcribe your audio files into text in record time, and its accuracy is impressive. Whether it's a podcast, webinar, or a recorded interview, TalkText AI converts your content into readable text that's easy to work with. This can be a game changer for content creators who need to quickly repurpose their materials for blogs, social media posts, or newsletters. Second, the editing features of TalkText AI stand out. Once your content is transcribed, the software doesn't just stop there. It has built-in editing tools that help refine your text. You can make quick adjustments, fix grammar, and ensure the flow of your content, all without leaving the platform. This is especially useful for busy professionals who want polished content without the hassle of jumping between multiple tools. Now, one feature that I personally love is TalkText AI's integration with other software. It plays well with most CRM and marketing automation platforms, allowing you to streamline your workflow. For instance, you can quickly integrate it with your email marketing campaigns, taking a transcription and turning it into a fully formatted email in seconds. What makes TalkText AI particularly exciting is its ability to generate AI-powered summaries. If you're dealing with long audio files or transcripts, TalkText AI can condense them into concise summaries. This is perfect for when you want to extract key insights without spending hours reading through everything. Another strong point is its multi-language support. TalkText AI isn't limited to just English. It can work with several other languages, which makes it a great option for global marketers or businesses that operate in multiple regions. Whether you need to transcribe a French podcast or an Italian interview, TalkText AI has you covered. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that TalkText AI is still in its early stages. While it's packed with useful features, some users might encounter occasional bugs or glitches. However, the development team is actively working on updates, so improvements are coming quickly. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that TalkText AI is free to try with no commitment. You can test the software using the link in the description below, so there's no risk in seeing if it's the right fit for your needs. Finally, after testing thousands of AI software tools, I've compiled a list of the best ones in the description below. You can find software that will help you streamline content creation, improve marketing strategies, and boost your overall productivity. If you're ready to dive into AI, I've got you covered with the top picks. So, is TalkText AI worth trying? Absolutely. Whether you're looking for a simple transcription tool, need help generating summaries, or want to integrate it into your digital marketing workflows, TalkText AI offers a lot of value for its users. Don't forget to check out the free trial linked below and explore how TalkText AI can change the way you work.